Alright, we're back with another Saturday project. I got a good one this week. My coworker Bob is 100% Irish. We're in Boston. We were talking about hurly the other day. He said he went to a bar and they had a nice big display hurly stick, so I'm gonna make him one. I don't have ash, unfortunately. I'm in Boston, as I said, but I am gonna glue some pieces of plant together and try to shape it out. Alright, we gotta get them squared up to glue together. Alright, it's all glued together. I'm gonna sketch out a shape. Alright, we have the ends roughly shaped out. Now we gotta do the handle. I have had this for years and I've never opened it. I'm so excited. I'm gonna lose my fingers. If I say I'm not scared, I would be lying. Alright, time for the spoke shave. Alright, I think we got it shaped up pretty good with the spoke shave. Totally forgot to record it, but I wrapped it up. Now I gotta pick all this hot glue out of the handle, and now I gotta paint it. Alright, it's all done. Now we just gotta finish it. And I put my new logo on. My new logo, I combined the R and the B, River Bend. How about that? It is all done. No, I've never played hurly. Obviously, I'm from America. It's not really a thing here. But I did play lacrosse and hockey growing up, so I feel like if I was from Ireland, this would be the sport that I played. Thanks for watching.